Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. Hope you are all well. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet an easy crochet flower. So let's get started. We will need a 3.5mm hook. For this project, I have chosen Cotonnet Decayenne by Signet and the shade is 200 Poppy, as you can see. It's a really lovely shade. Also, I have used vanilla from Signet Cotonnet Decayenne as well. And this one is 848 Vanilla shade by Signet. If you want, you can choose your own colors. Also, I have used a scissor and a tapestry needle. Start with the magic circle. To do the magic circle, wrap your yarn around 2 fingers. And with the help of the hook, pull up a loop from the working yarn, twist it. Then now we are going to do chain 1. So I'm doing chain 1 and then another chain. So altogether I have done 2 chains. This first 2 chain doesn't count as a half double crochet. Watch the video in above right corner to learn how to do a magic circle. Next I will do a half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert your hook in the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of these 3 loops. We are going to do 15 half double crochet in the magic circle in the same way. So this is my first half double crochet and I'm going to mark it with the stitch marker so that it would be easier for me to know where I need to join my round. After that, we are going to do the next 14 half double crochets. So this is the second one, third half double crochet, fourth half double crochet and fifth half double crochet. In this way, we are going to do 15 half double crochet. Sixth half double crochet, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and last one 15. So as you can see, I have done my 15 half double crochet. Take off the stitch marker from the first half double crochet and join round 1 in the first half double crochet by making a slip stitch. This is how I have done it. Pull up the loop to make the magic circle a bit tighter. Then I will do chain 1 and fasten off my vanilla yarn here. Cut off the yarn. Let's start round 2. We are going to start this round by adding new yarn. So here I'm using poppy color. So I will pull up this yarn in the first stitch where I have joined my last round. So I will do chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. So this is going to be my first stitch. Then I'm going to do chain 1, 2 and 3. Skip 2 stitches from down, 1, 2 and in the next stitch we are going to do another single crochet. After that we'll do chain 1, 2 and 3. From the last round we'll skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch I will do a single crochet. Again chain 3, skip 2 stitch, in the third stitch do a single crochet. Again we are going to do chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, skip 2 stitches from down and third stitch we'll do a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 stitch. And now we are going to join this round in the first single crochet by making a slip stitch. In this round I have done 5 petal base, chain 3 space 5 times. You will notice in round 2 we have made 5 petal base. In round 3 we'll start by making a single crochet in the chain 3 base. So here I'm going to make a single crochet around chain 3 space. As you can see, I have done the single crochet. Then I'm going to do 1 half double crochet around chain 3. Next I will do a double crochet in the chain 3 space. To do the double crochet, yarn over, hook, insert your hook in the chain 3, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Do another double crochet around the same chain 3 space. In this way we are going to make the first petal. So now I'm going to do a treble crochet. To do the treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. As you can see, I have 3 loops, yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. I will show you again. Yarn over twice, once, twice, hook goes into the chain 3 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. I have done 2. This is my 3rd treble crochet. After doing this 3 treble crochet, we are going to do 2 double crochet. I already have shown you how to do the double crochet. This is my first and the second double crochet. After doing this 2 double crochet, I'm going to do a half double crochet in the same chain space and finish this petal by making a single crochet in the same chain space. I have done my first petal. In this way I'm going to do 4 more petals. Now I'm going to show you the petal again. This is the second petal we are going to do. So 1 single crochet around the chain 3 space, then we are going to do a half double crochet. 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet. Then we are going to do 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet and this is the second one. So I have done 2 double crochet. Next we'll do 3 treble crochet. This is my first treble crochet. That's the second treble crochet. And then we'll do 3rd treble crochet. After these treble crochets, we'll do 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, following by 1 half double crochet. And we'll finish this petal by making a single crochet. By following the instructions of a petal, you need to do 3 more petals in this round. I'll be back after doing all of these petals. I already have done 5 petals. It's a time to finish this round. So I'm going to join this round by making a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Next, I'm going to fasten off the yarn and cut it off here. Do not forget to weave in the ends and trim off any extra yarn left. All of this. This is how my beautiful flower looks like after weaving all of the yarn ends.